Hi there. Today I wanted to review the Verizon JetPack, the Mifi JetPack. I purchased this for about $200 outright, and I signed up for an unlimited plan. I was going on a road trip along the East Coast from Florida all the way up to Maine, and I also needed to send this to somebody else in the company, so I decided to test it out on the East Coast, knowing that Verizon's network is pretty good on the East Coast. So I just wanted to give you a quick opening, unboxing, and how it works. So it comes with a simple manual, right, about resetting it and things like that, managing your Wi-Fi and so on. It's pretty intuitive, so you don't really need to go through too much of the manual if you don't really want to. There's some safety information. This is the JetPack. Alright, it has a USB-C connector at the end for charging, and the power button is right here. This also has a high power charger. And it also comes with a USB cable. Put these aside. Okay, so to power it on, you hold down the button. There are some beeps that you can enable and disable. Now while this is booting, there is also an $80 version that they do sell. They didn't have it when I went to the store, so this is what I got. This one supposedly has a touch screen, as well as it has more antennas, which makes it more sensitive to picking up the data. There's a menu. Right, there's band selection. You could change your name, protected setup. Let's go back. Connected devices. You could set up a guest network. You could also connect this device to your computer, and you could get Wi-Fi. You could get mobile data that way, and you could even block devices. Data usage, this comes and goes. It's not available at this time, but sometimes you do see it. You could set it on airplane mode, stealth mode, audio alerts. You could switch that on and off, change your language, your screen timeout, network settings, sleep mode, and you could reset it. All right. If you set up a connected device, you'll actually see this connected. So let me just get my phone. So here we are. You can see there's an alert. It says, there was an alert that says one device was connected. Here you can see the primary network now. You could connect up to 15 devices. And you could see the name of the device and its IP address. So I thought this worked really well. They do sell an unlimited plan, but currently the salesperson told me they only goes up to about 30 gigs per month, and after that it slows down to 2G. I'm not sure how valid that is, because 2G is basically on its way out, but that's what he told me. And it works pretty well. You could change the password and the name if you so desire, and It's a pretty solid device. The battery life is about 12 hours, and on driving for about 12 hours, that was about correct. But I did have a charger in the car, so I did charge it as well. And if you need to, you could open it up. Let's see. It is battery removable over here. You could actually take out the battery if you need to replace it. So it's a solid device.